Supertech handheld laser 4-in-1 machine. Turn on the machine. Change into English. The third key 设置 Input the password 123456. Press the language key 语言 select English. Return to home page. First, laser welding. Go into technology page. Select 2mm welding process. Import and return. Open the line for indication of red light. Turn on the welding wires feed on. Adjust the speed of wire feeding. Change the log gauge. Run it. Clamping the ground clamp. Welding. We are not good at it, just for reference. Second, laser cutting. Remove the graded tube. Change the cutting nozzle. Also into technology page. Click common technology. According to the cutting condition, set the parameters. Import and return. Scan width is set to 0. Laser cutting. Third, laser cleaning. Change the clean set head and glass. Click the conversion symbol on the top right corner. Setting the parameters. Laser cleaning. Fourth, cleaning welding bed. Setting the parameters. Change the nozzle and cleaning. More information please read in the manual operation. Thanks for your watching. Supertech machines. Waving lives beauty.